front of me is HONOR Magic4 Pro, and today I would like to show you how you can use one-handed mode on this device. Firstly, access devices settings and click on accessibility features over here. Then tap on one-handed mode section and click on this gray switcher next to one-handed mode to activate it. Then follow all of those instructions. If you have gesture navigation, you have to slide your finger across the button of the screen and hold. But as you can see, I have 3 keys, so I have to slide my finger across the button of the screen. When I do that, as you can see, one-handed mode is now on. If you wish to go back, you need to click on this blank area. If you wish to change placement of your screen, you can always swipe to the other side. Then go back the same way. In order to disable one-handed mode completely, tap on blue switcher. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and definitely subscribe. Bye!